Good morning, Sara. How are you? I'm good. It's sunny today. It's a little windy too. I like this weather. Me too.
Hi, everyone.
Hi, Jack.
Hi, Matt. Hi, Anna. Hi, Amyra. Do you want to play?
Yes.
Let's play.
Okay.
Can I play too?
Of course. Here you go. Thanks. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Catch.
I got it.
Good catch. Do you want to study?
Yes. Let's study. What's wrong?
I can't find my pencil.
You can use mine.
Really?
Of course.
Thank you.
You're welcome. What are you drawing?
A flower.
It's pretty.
Thank you.
What are you reading? A story about a rabbit. Can I see? Of course. I'm hungry. Me too. What do you have? I have a sandwich and an apple. What do you have? I have a banana. I'm tired. Me too. But that was fun. Yes, it was. It's time to go home. Already? Yes. It's getting late.
Are you coming tomorrow?
Yes.
See you tomorrow.
Bye, everyone. Bye, Amyra. See you tomorrow.